I'm RT Chalfant from Haverford Systems here at Lincoln University's Philadelphia campus. We took this classroom and turned it into a powerful Hyflex space built specifically for hybrid learning. Now, it works just as well for students in the seats as it does for students joining remotely. As part of our upgrade, we added a ClearTouch interactive display, Crestron surface mount speakers, a Shure ceiling mic array, and a ClearTouch PTZ camera in the back, which automatically tracks the instructor as they move around the room. Everything is tied together with a Crestron control system that's essentially turnkey. Just walk in, tap a button, and you're ready to go with wireless presentation and lecture capture. Beyond this Hyflex room, we also updated 10 standardized classrooms, a conference room, and a 3-room divisible space for larger presentations, bringing more of the campus up to date with today's classroom technologies. If this kind of setup looks like something your school needs, send me an email. It's rt@haverford.com.